I'm going to talk about the myth of lifetime automatic transmission fluid. I'm always being asked by people, Scotty, it says that the transmission fluid in my car is lifetime. I never need to change it. What do you think about that? Well, basically, I think that it's just a dirty little lie, because they're using the word lifetime in a different manner than most people actually will. I even asked an auto engineer one time, what do you mean by lifetime automatic fluid? And they said, well, the fluid should last the lifetime of the transmission. And then he said, oh, you never have to change the fluid because it lasts as long as the transmission lasts. But I said, hey, how long is the transmission going to last? Because if you look up powertrain warranties, hey, they're 6 years, 70,000 miles, 4 years, 50,000 miles, 4 year, 50,000 miles. Some of them go 5 years, 100,000 miles, but they do stop. So if the transmission breaks down after the warranty because the fluid's dirty and it's broken things down inside, guess what? You're the one that's going to pay thousands and thousands of dollars for another transmission or a full rebuild. There's lots of parts inside a modern automatic transmission, and they all have to be pressure lubricated with clean fluid. And the gears inside have very close tolerances. Even wear of a few thousandths of an inch from dirty fluid can make them work poorly. And to add insult to injury, unlike my old Toyota here, which has a dipstick for the automatic transmissions, many cars don't have one. You can't even check the fluid yourself anymore. Jacking a car up and just taking out a drain plug and changing the fluid like it used to be. Some modern cars, it takes all kinds of equipment and skills just to change the fluid, because they made these bizarre little things you have to do to change it. And if you tried changing the fluid yourself, look what you have to do on this 2-year-old Chrysler. You gotta do all kinds of stuff. You gotta have a scan tool. You gotta do all these different tests. Put the brake on, put it in reverse for 5 seconds, place it in drive, hold it for 5 seconds, release the brakes, and accelerate to second gear. It's absolutely insane what they expect you to do to change this fluid. So, of course, most people are never gonna attempt it themselves, and they'll believe, oh, it's a lifetime fluid, we'll just leave it in and not worry about it. But that's a big mistake, because yes, the metallurgy in the transmissions and the modern synthetic fluids are much better than they used to be, but look at this. I took this out of a transmission that had 60,000 miles of lifetime fluid in it. It's supposed to be red, and you can see it's pretty much turned black. Now, 90% of transmission failures occur because of heat, and the fluid has a lot to do with that. Dirty fluid will cause carbon buildup, the seals in the clutches will start to burn out, the plates will slip, varnish forms, and you don't want all that happening inside a clean automatic transmission. And dirty fluid causes wear. The seals can get dirt on them from that, and then they'll start leaking. You don't want to have dirty transmission fluid. Period. Now, sure, you don't have to change it every 30,000 miles like we used to in the old automatics, but still, I would advise changing it at least every 60 to 80,000 miles if you want to keep your car a long time. So if you ask any honest mechanic about this lifetime fluid, they'll tell you the truth. That's a lot of baloney if you want to keep your car a long time. And my automatic transmission specialist in Baytown, Texas, he says the same thing. And you'd think, hey, if it did wear him out, he'd make more money selling transmissions to people, but he's honest. And he says, you gotta change this fluid if you want the transmissions to last a long time. So now you know the truth about lifetime automatic transmission fluids, that you really should change it, unless you like the idea of short lifetimes. And remember, if you've got any car questions, just visit the Scotty Kilmer channel. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.